Hello everyone. I recently shared a picture of a PCB that I'm working on the War Discord server, and well, it's attracted some attention, so I thought some of you might be interested in that as well, so I thought I'd share this. So this is a PCB I'm working on. Here it is on Easy EDA. It's supposed to mount on top of the X carriage, and don't mind any of the rest of the changes here. This is just some idea I'm playing around with, but it's not related to the PCB. I just have it on this specific model for the mounts of the PCB, that's why I opened this one. But yeah, you can see that it mounts on top of the MGN 7 area of the X carriage. So you will need longer M2 screws to mount this, but other than that, you should just mount on top of the carriage, and based on the things that I can see, including in the full model, I don't think there will be any clearance issues. So yeah, I probably should have already explained what it is exactly. So this is a toolhead breakout board. You wire your umbilical cord to this, which you have to use umbilical cord on the Voron 0, so it's not a change, unlike my Voron 2 boards that I'll put a picture of on the screen right now. So again, you wire your umbilical cord here to this T-shaped area. This is the only reasonable way that I could make it fit. You're supposed to use solder and solder the wires directly to here. You can technically use a connector, but the reason I don't recommend it is because with the movement of the PCB, the connector could come loose, and yeah, that could cause a lot of problems. So that's why I designed this for solder. But you might also think that, well, the solder isn't the world's most strongest connection, and you need some sort of strain relief. Well, the thing is, you can solder them here and just leave some spare, and then zip tie the rest of the wires to the Bowden tube, so that effectively acts as a strain relief, so there shouldn't be any other problems. And the actual connectors themselves, you can use any connector you like. In this picture I'm using just DuPont connectors, but again, you can use KKs, you can use JST XHs. I think I'm going to use KKs, but I'm just saying you can use whatever you want. And for the heater, I designed it for a screw terminal. And yeah, that's kind of the design. I ordered the PCB from the PCB way, and it's on the way. It should be here in a few weeks, and after that I should be able to test this, and the video about this in action will be after that. So the video will probably take a few weeks, or more realistically a little over a month, so don't expect it anytime soon, but it is on the works. I just need this to arrive, and it will be in the next Voron 0 episode. You can see that you have all of the connections you need, plus miscellaneous connector here that is 7 pins. The reason it is 7 pins is, well, that's basically the amount you need for an ADXL345, so this allows you to connect the ADXL345 accelerometer. There is no direct mount for this on the PCB, I just couldn't make it fit, but yeah, you can just wire from here to the module and just use a DuPont header or something like that and mount the module, for example, in front of the hot end fan, for example. And since that's supposed to be mostly temporary, it shouldn't be a problem. You will need 18 wires in your umbilical cord for this, so yeah, if you want to take full advantage of this, that is, but obviously you don't need this 7 pins, so that gets rid of 7 of them. And I doubled on the heater wires, so you can get rid of 2 more, so you can get rid of 9 of those wires. You only need 9, so if you want to be cheap about this, you can do it that way. I do have my Equals cable there, which is 18 wires, that's why I went with that. The Gerber files of this are now released and in the description. If you want to be safe, I'd recommend waiting for my War on Zero episode, but at the same time, I don't really see a reason why this wouldn't work, so yeah, if you don't see a problem with this either, you can order this from your favorite PCB manufacturer, and yeah, you can use it that way. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you're excited for this project. If you aren't already, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the War on Zero episode if you're interested in this. But that's it for this video, so thanks for watching.